Oh my god, it's actually cute. Yay, I did it. We did it. We did it. Yeah, yeah, we did it. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Janelle. If you're new here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, okay? Join the fam. If you're not new, you coming back, you know what to do, okay? So in today's video, I'm gonna be trying, as you can tell by the title, I'm gonna be trying this eyelash hack, okay? So I don't know if y'all know, but your girl does not know how to put false lashes on, okay? It just I be looking crazy, okay? So as y'all can see, I have done my makeup, okay? And I'm gonna go ahead and try this hack. So what you're supposed to do is like take the eyelash glue and like line your lid as if you're doing liquid eyeliner, which by the way, I suck at that too, so I really don't know how this is gonna work out for my life, but I've been wanting to try this hack. And yeah, so I have let me just get my glue. How y'all doing? Okay, so I bought these from Amazon. This is Jameer. Oh Lord, these are Jameer lashes. I got these from Amazon, and then I got the Kiss lash glue. Okay, I have the Duo lash glue, the black one, but I'm pretty sure that's expired, and I ain't gonna put that on my lash and get a sty in my eye. Okay, so cute. Like, I really hope this works out, because like I be wanting to put lashes on, and girl, you know, I'm definitely gonna have to cut these, because look, they bigger than my eye. That much off. Okay, girl, stop it. Steady your hands. What is going on with you? Steady your hands, bitch. Oh my goodness. Yo. Alright, so I got my glue, and I'm gonna come just like that, right that close, right here, y'all. Hold on. So I got my glue here, and y'all, I am so scared. So scared. So you're supposed to put it on like you putting on eyeliner, y'all. Yeah. I don't know how much glue I should put on, but I won't, you know, it's gonna dry clear. Alright. Let me see. I got lash glue out up in my lashes, y'all. Actually, I'm supposed to put mascara on first. I didn't do that. It's okay. The glue's already on this, so I got to work. Wait. Y'all can see, right? Okay. I can't see nothing. How did... pretty sure you're supposed to look down. Oh yeah, should have probably got some tweezers, y'all. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, I see how, okay, now I see how they mean to look down. Because, girl, I was like, what they mean to look down? Ooh, child, I almost just blew my eye shut. Okay. That's not sticking. There's a huge gap. Oh, it's sticky. Well, it's glue. Okay, guys, I think. Oh snap. Oh snap, y'all. Oh my god. I'm pretty sure I got these lashes on. Ooh, ew. Guys, I got lashes on. They long as hell though, but and there's no space in between. It works. Oh. So that's what I look like. Y'all. Y'all look. It works. Y'all don't know how excited. It feels weird though. Like, it feels very weird on my lid. I feel like there's something on my lid. You know what I'm saying? I don't know how people do this. Yeah, okay, so I just glued my eye shut. I might wipe like right here because I got some glue on my bottom lash. So I'm gonna have to wipe that off with makeup remover because I will glue my eye shut. But like, it just feels weird though. It feels like there's something there. It feels so weird. How do you guys do this? It feels weird. I don't know. It looks cute. Okay, hold on. I can't believe this actually works, y'all. Well, I mean, I can't believe I actually did it. Not that it works, but like that I actually achieved it because yeah, I'm just. Oh my goodness. Ooh. Uh-huh. Okay, so how I said to look down again, I don't remember. Y'all, I'm an MUA now. Ooh, these lashes look a little scary. I'm not used to seeing myself with lashes, so this is very weird to me. Very weird. I don't know if in a good way or what, because like, it's so weird. Like, what? Oh my god, yo, this is so weird for me. My eyes just feel like they feel heavy, so it's just something that I would have to get used to, but it actually works. Like, I have lashes on, y'all, and it don't look crazy. It don't look like you can't see my eyelashes under there, and that was my problem every time I used to try to put falsies on. Like, I could never get it to actually stick down. Like, we would see the, you know, the separation where my lash and the falsies start. Like, you could always see that, and now like I can't. And look, I don't know if y'all can see the lash band, but you know, it's there. Like, it's on there. Like, oh my god. Again, and like, I can't believe that I pulled it off, because girl, I be stupid sometimes. I don't know how I made it this far in life. Okay. But I like it. I am excited that it actually works. So guys, if you are like me and you have trouble putting lashes on, oh my god, this feels so weird. It's like touching, why it's touching my bottom lash. It's touching it. Oh my god, I can't wait to take them off though, because it feels weird, and it's just definitely something that I have to get used to. I can't wait to take them off. But if you guys are, you know, are like me and y'all don't know how to put fake lashes on, go try this. Okay, it actually works. but just be careful. Do not get this glue in your eyes, okay? And don't, what was I gonna ask? Oh, was it something? And don't glue your eyes together, okay? But it actually works. So if you guys want to go ahead and give it a try, I would highly recommend it. And this is glue, okay? This is some strong ass lash glue. This Kiss strip lash glue, this is strong, girl. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button on your way out and watch another video, okay? I'll leave it right after this for you. You ain't gotta do all that. Just click it. I'm gonna leave it right there, okay? I'll see you next time.